beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this yummy groundnut soup. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So I have my cow skin, black pepper, crayfish, chili flakes, stockfish, onion, my chicken, bitter leaf, and the star of the show is groundnut, also known as peanut salt. So I have the spice, chicken spice, and fermented locust bean spice too. Okay, this is my palm oil, and let's dive right into it. So in my pan, I'll be transferring my peanuts, also known as groundnut, into my pan, and I'll be doing this on a low heat or on a medium heat until I am satisfied with it. And now I am checking it, and it's peeling off easily, so it's ready. So I'll go ahead to peel off the skin, blow it off, and this is what I got. So moving on, in my blender, I'll transfer my peanuts right into my blender. So I'll do this and I'll blend it till it is smooth. Next, I'll add in water, blend it till it is smooth. Thank you, beautiful people, for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted, okay? And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please stay connected, subscribe, on the bell button so you get notified whenever I upload any video. So in my pot, I'll be adding in my protein. You can use any protein of choice. So I have added in my onion, my seasoning powder, salt, and water. So I'm gonna stir everything together to combine properly, and I'll cook this until it is tender. And after a few minutes, my protein was ready, so I went ahead to remove everything from the pot because I wouldn't want it to be too soft. Okay, so I'll remove everything from the pot. Next, I'll add in my stockfish flakes, and I'll add in my cow skin. Feel free to use any protein of choice. So I'll stir everything together. Next, I'll add in my black pepper, also known as uziza seed, my crayfish powder. I'll stir everything together. Next, I'll add in my palm oil, my chili flakes. You can use any pepper of choice, habanero, whatever you want to use, okay? So I added in my chili flakes, stir everything together nicely to combine properly. And this spice, I love this spice so much. This is fermented locust bean spice, and you can also use the locust beans itself. Okay, so I'll stir everything together, cook for a few minutes, and after a few minutes we are back to check on our soup base, and our soup base is doing amazing. Next, I'll transfer in my blended peanuts into my pot, and I'm gonna stir this till I am satisfied with it. Okay, I'll stir everything together to combine. I have this peanut soup or groundnut soup on the channel previously, and I used good leaf, but this time around I decided to change the vegetable. So I'll cook this a bit, and after few minutes I'll stir. This soup splashes a lot, so be careful while doing this, okay? So I'll add in my bitter leaf. As I said earlier, I used pumpkin leaf previously, and now I am using bitter leaf. The taste was so good. Okay, stir everything together, and this recipe was mouth-watering. If you have not tried this recipe before, please try this recipe and let me know what you think about this video. So I'll stir everything together, cook for a few minutes, and after a few minutes, voila, Our soup is ready. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. And from me is bye bye.